So we finished the second part. I'm gonna move on to my third part.
Okay.
So I'll come to this screen and either choose the part using my fingers, or if I have the setup sheet, I can scan the setup sheet to bring that part automatically.
All right.
I'll choose the part that I'm gonna be bending right now, hit enter. It's gonna come up to the setup screen. All three criteria are okay, so I can start the tool change. It will take a minute and 25 seconds
Okay, another set.
finish the tool set. Yep.
This will be a quick one. I think, you know, it's true too that so much of work now, especially in the US, is low volume but high changeover.
Yes.
And that this is made just for that, I guess. Huh?
Yeah, exactly. The more tool changes that you will do in a day, the more efficient the ATCe machines will be.
Yeah, you're saving at least double, right? You're
Yes. So there,
probably triple.
I will say there's actually a customer that replaced three standalone machines with one ATCe. That's
So 3 was a good.
Yep.
Wow, that's cool.
And I come here again. I'll be gauging the part like that.
All right.
I will be like that.
I noticed that the approach speed is really until you're about what, a quarter of an inch away, or?
Yes, we can set that up, but by default, it's gonna be 2 millimeters from the pinch point.
All right.
So right now, what I'm having over here is the fast approach.
Yeah.
But once we are putting tonnage, the electrical servo will use change the cut using the clutch to a high torque mode.
And you know, with the servo motor, you can be so accurate with that, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's our third bend. The fourth. And here, because I know where to gauge off or 0, I have the side gauge as well. Even though I have the side flanges, it will not hit. Or I'm confident that it will not hit.
Yeah.
Sorry. One sec. Here. Here too. This is gonna be my last bend.
Whoa.
So this part that we have here has a slot here, and we can see the flange from here will go directly into this slot.
Yeah.
And also there's some.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
Oh, man.
And that's just done by the BI.
That's like digging a tunnel from either side of the mountain, hoping they're going to meet, right?
And it met. Yeah. It met. Without me doing any adjustments.
Yeah. Well, I mean, and the thing is, it seems like to me, once you get a little bit trained,
yes,
a new person might be able to repeat those results, right?
Exactly. Yeah. Because we already made. Or again, the angle adjustment is going to be set by the BI, so we can turn it off, and the operator can just follow the lead using the back gauge monitor that I view or the 3D models to see how it should be gauged off of. And as long as the operator follows this lead, he can bend the part.
Yeah.
And because the ATCe is doing the tool changes, there's no way that the punch that's here versus what it's supposed to be is different.
Right.
It's always the same.
Right. Yeah, and you're not going to make a mistake loading that because it's the program from the 4IE that's telling it
to bring
here's how to do it. Yeah.
Of specific rack. Yeah, if it's a manual tool change, sometimes what's going to happen is, especially if it's early in the morning, not focusing too much, if the operator was trying to put V10 millimeter dies, but he accidentally put something smaller and over tonnage it. That happens. Yeah, that may happen a lot, but the ATCe we don't have that. So that's another good safety as well.
Yeah, that is good. Okay.
Yeah. Speaking of safety, because we already made the program on the offline port, the machine knows the tool combinations that we're using.
Yeah.
It also knows how much tonnage that we can apply on these tools, which means that, for example, when we accidentally double stack the part and bend it, when the tonnage just jumps up, and it reaches a certain tonnage limit, the machine will stop before breaking the tools as well.
Yeah, because it's transmitting that all the time.
Yes.
It's reading it. Yeah. Okay. Good. Good. That is really cool.
Yep.
All right. And then we'll cut here and we'll get back to a few other things about the press and we'll be done.